And this one also already I have property type, right, with the full form. I don't want this property code to. I'm not going to build it based on this property code. What I'm just doing, I'm just removing this, uncheck this property code and category type. I want to build these columns I want. At the time, what I will do, I'll just uncheck unnecessary columns. I'm just removing it from this existing table data set. So automatically we are going to get the final version. See here, that column is not available. If you can see like this. Suppose if you want to cross check, we can go here, the gear icon, what action we have performed. Okay. And one more thing, here in this date of transfer, I don't want to get the full date and time information. I just make it as a date itself. Date itself is enough for my analysis. What I will do in the sense, I will just convert this instead of date type, data type. I will just convert it as a date, right? I don't want to analyze the data based on the time. So I'm just removing this time and maintaining the date itself. So like this, we'll just do. So these are the transforming activities we have just performed on this data set. And anyway, this property type also I have loaded into this price paid. I don't want to reload it again. What I will do, I will just disable this option so that it is not going to run whenever we will do some refreshes, or else whenever we will do some processing and all. And it is not going to appear this property type PP 2018, 1920, 2019. These tables are not going to appear in our model level also, and even at the data set level. So for that, I'm just disable that option. So all information that is available in prices paid. So I'm just close and apply. So I have performed all the transforming activities, and I'm going to perform. Last action is close and apply the changes what I have done. So it will take some time because all the information I have loaded in prices paid.
Hello. Hello.